Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
First of all, I welcome you all to Zeal Polytechnic, Pune. Hello, myself Ms. Shruti Sachin Paigude welcoming you all to Computer Peripheral and Hardware Maintenance CPH micro project. This project is based on program learning. Now, let me introduce you all about myself and my team members. We all are students of Zeal Polytechnic, Pune and studying in first year computer department. We all are guided by Professor Omkar Wadnis sir. Our topic is various networking devices with its application. Now let me introduce you all about my team members.
Hi, I am Tejasvi. Myself, Shreya Nitin Pokwe.
I am Niyaz Sheikh.
Myself Ms. Shruti Sachin Paigude.
Hello, I am Gaurav Pawar.
In this topic, first, networking devices. Second, hubs. Third, switches. Fourth, bridges. Fifth, routers. Sixth, gateways. 7, modems.
Now let me introduce you all to networking devices. The most basic of networks require devices to provide connectivity and functionality. These networking devices operate and identify the functions they perform. These are essential skills for network. Networking devices are also known as network equipment or computer networking devices. These are required for communication and interaction between devices on a computer network. Networking devices include a broad range of equipment which interconnect other network components. Taking a wider view, for example, mobile phones, tablets, computer, laptops, etc., and other devices associated with the internet are also considered as networking hardware devices.
Hubs connect multiple computer devices together. A hub also acts as a repeater in that amplifies signals that deteriorate after traveling long distances over connecting tables. For example, if the incoming data is in digital format, the hub must pass it on as packets. However, if the incoming data is analog, then the hub passes it in single form. There are two types of hubs. First, simple, and second is multiple port.
Switches is an electrical device that is used in our day-to-day life. An electrical device that is used to make or break the current. The primary application of switches is to on and off any circuit. The different types of switches which are widely used across our industrialization such as telecommunications, school appliances, office, home appliances, etc.
Bridges are used to divide larger network into smaller sections. They do this by sitting between two physical networking segments and managing flow of data between the two by looking of the MAC address of the device connected to each segment. And 3.4 shows how bridges can be used segregate a network. When bridges were introduced, the MAC address of the device of connected network has been entered manually of a time-consuming process that had plenty of opportunity for error. Today, almost all bridges can be built of the MAC address on the interface watching the traffic of the network. Such devices are called learning bridges because of this functionality.
I am telling you routers information. In a common configuration, routers are used to create larger network by joining two network segments, such as the show a routers used to connect a user to network internet. A router can be dedicated hardware devices or computer system with more than one network interface and the appropriate routing software.
Gateway is a device that translates one data format to another. For example, these include a router that translates data from one network protocol to another, a bridge that converts between two networking systems, and a software application that converts between two dissimilar formats. The main key point about the gateway is that the data format is translated, not the data itself. In many cases, the data functionally is incorporated into another devices. Gateway is a hardware device that acts as a gate between two networks. It is a piece of networking hardware or software used in telecommunication for telecommunication networks that allows the data to flow from one discrete network to another.
Modem, modern, short for modulator or demodulator, is a device that converts the digital signal generated by a computer into analog signals that can travel over conventional phone lines, a means to connect an ESP or a mechanism for dialing up to a LAN.
Thank you